Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I do apologize for the lighting. I'm standing in front of my bedroom window and unfortunately, of course, it started storming right when I wanted to film this, so that's fantastic. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I did this firework New Year's Eve makeup look, and I hope you guys like it. If you do like it, please subscribe or at least like the video because it really helps me out, and yeah, alright. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I already started this video, so I put some already. I took the Kana color, which is like a taupey, cool taupe color, just a real neutral color, and we're gonna go ahead and do a cut crease. And once you pack I took just a darker gray color and packed it on the lid above my crease right here. Don't worry about this part because we'll get to that later, but you're gonna want to take a fluffy brush and just blend that out. You don't want this real dark because of the design we're going to put on it. So we're just gonna blend it out up into the brow and lighten it up a little bit, and this is just a clean brush that I'm taking here. Done blending that to your comfort. Just go ahead, don't worry if it's a little bit patchy or it's not perfect, because like I said, we're going to be doing a design on top of this anyways. So like I said, when you're done blending, go ahead and take a concealer. I'm just using this LA Colors Conceal It. It's like $1 from Family Dollar or something, and it doesn't matter. This is, use whatever concealer you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. If you were wondering why I was looking up like that with my concealer, it's just an easier way to find your crease and not mess up and make it too low or too high or whatever. But you can ultimately do your crease however you want. Just make sure you go over when you push in your eye sockets right there. Just make sure you go over that line slightly. I'm gonna define the crease a little bit more because it's kind of really soft right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the same palette that I used for the beginning colors and take that dark, it's like a slate, I don't know, it's like a dark gray color, and I'm just gonna line the eye. Okay, so that made it just a little bit more defined looking, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on so that the design that I do won't get covered up by foundation afterwards. Okay, so I did my foundation and some contour and highlight, and it's not the best, but I just threw it on there. I'm gonna use the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. I prefer the NYX Milk, but I can't find it, so we're just gonna go ahead and start working on the fireworks now. Basically, I just put the white cream eye pencil and just put some white splotches on where I want my fireworks to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, shout out to Emma, and I'm gonna take, I don't know what colors I want to do. I think I want to do this really bright purple and a pink. So we'll go ahead and dip into, what is this one? Root Canal, which is the super bright, beautiful purple color. And I'm just taking a small round eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go ahead and just dab that on there. The next color I'm gonna do is Prick, and it's a really, really bright red color. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this on there too. Next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this orange color, and this is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. And the yellow from the same Zulu palette, and put that right underneath the orange. For the last color, I'm gonna go ahead and take this blue color. It's like a shimmery blue, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom. Now with these colors, you can put any color you want, and you can enhance whatever color that you put down already as well. I'm thinking that I want more of the purple on there because I really want this look to be all about the fireworks. So we're going to go ahead with that Jeffree Star Blood Sugar and Root Canal and put more purple on there. And to make these fireworks pop, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Liquid Catsuit lipstick. This is just a red color. You can do any lipstick, honestly. I'm just gonna take some of this, and then I'm gonna take a skinny brush. Give me one sec. You're just gonna take a little skinny brush and then dip it just a little bit in there, very lightly. And then we're gonna use this to make our fireworks really pop. Same with purple. A yellow liquid eyeliner to do this with. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my brush and dip back into the same yellow that I used right there. Same with the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and take my white liquid eyeliner. I don't recommend this one. This is the Rimmel Color Precise eyeliner. I really just do not like felt tip, so if you have a better liquid eyeliner, I recommend using a better one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add detail to the fireworks. Okay, and if you wanted to leave it like that and add a wing and some lashes, you could be done. Or if you want to be super extra like me, I am taking a red glitter. This is LaSplash. It's just a red glitter, super fine. And I'm going to take some eyelash glue, clear, and I'm going to go ahead and put some glitter up on that. This one is called Flashing Lights by Blitzy. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take a white powder for my lid. I feel like any color that I do would just take away from the firework look. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a regular white. I just went ahead and put a shimmery gold color in the inner corner to make the eyes pop. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a black for the bottom waterline. And I'm just gonna go ahead in that Warrior 2 palette with Shawata? I don't know. Then I'm gonna go into Root Canal from the Jeffree Star palette, just to smoke out that bottom lash line. Okay, and I just added a little more white right there since it blended into the blue. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my liner and lashes. Okay, so I just added some gloss and some lashes, just some lashes on the end, because I didn't want to take away anything from the look. And I could not come up with a good lip color. I've tried a lot. My lip is all messed up from me wiping it off and trying over again. So what color would you do with this look? Because I tried mauve and I tried pink and I tried like a taupey color and nothing looked good. So I just went with a plain gloss over my natural lip color. So yeah, this is the finished look and I hope you guys like it. If you did, please subscribe. And I have a random hair right here. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.